Examples of adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Number 3 from the homework. 1 1/3 plus 19 over 24 minus 2 2/8. The first step you should always do when adding and subtracting mixed numbers is to find a common denominator. So for this problem, we looked at and see we have 3, 24, and 8. The common denominator would be 24. And so I'll say 1 and something over 24 plus 19 over 24 minus 2 and something over 24. I need to transform the numerators, and so I'll look at the 3. I ask myself, 3 goes into 24 how many times? 8. And so 8 times 1 makes the numerator 8. In a similar fashion, when I look at this third mixed number, I ask myself, 8 goes into 24 how many times? 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Next, I like to split my whole numbers and my fractions. And so what I'll do is I'll go doot, 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 and I'll put my whole numbers over here. I go 1 and negative 2. Now I notice that all my fractions have a common denominator of 24. And so I'll write that over here. Before I move the numerators over, I want to make sure I put signs on those numerators. So I see for the first mixed number, because the 1 is positive, the fraction is positive. On the second term, it is also positive, so I leave it be. On the third term, I see that the whole number is negative, and so the mixed number is also negative. And now as I transfer these numerators over, I'll say 8 plus 19 minus 6. Next will be a simple addition. I'll say 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And as I look at the fractional part, I'm just going to add the numerator. 8 plus 19 is 27. 27, take away 6, is 21. Now, the problem that I have here is that my whole number is negative, but my fraction is positive. When those don't match, I'll have to borrow. How I borrow is I look to the whole number, and I'm going to transform it into something that matches this denominator. In this case, I would transform it into negative 24 over 24 plus 21 over 24. I do the arithmetic. Negative 24 plus 21 is negative 3 24ths. And then of course we can reduce that. Negative 3 over 24 reduces to negative 1/8.